Chief Electoral Officer Kejela Meghalaya Dr. BDR Tiwari ula pentip bagajela kadang penbit penbiang bat penya cakamat eka kamban pentemai ya ketup kerteng kinong tak vote neka Special Intensive Revision SIR naga bentang senam arajar arpun rio. Kelam dapen kan jaga por kumbala penbet dik Election Commission keri. Abakiran kilat patai kubor haga kanyo trik ujeliau arajar arpun rio Dr. Tiwari ulaong bagabenta kebenengkong akan long nado ke arpo hado ke arp kundai trik ujeliau. Nanti akan sedang jinglum jengtip zaman ki yang kisam dagi booth level officer kaban sedang nadok kalai potrik jeliau hadok arp kundai trik unai tung. Bat kan sabut pat sakajing penmi aga draft electoral roll akasan trik unai lar arhajar arpun rio. Kaban sepela dagi pat ba baro kumbashi benai nadok ka santrik unai lar hadok sautrik unai lur arhajar arpun rio bonwan ujor ne penbiang ya jingduna ne kita ki claims but objections halor kene ke draft roll. Chief Electoral Officer ula pensyai syok bagajing penmi kaddo ekatup kerteng nong tap vote kan long haka nyau tarik urisau arajar arpun rio. Naga bentang kene kasamai pentamai kerteng ya kashi tarik urisau arajar arpun rio labo kum katarik banyat kat kum ka qualifying date. Naga bentang kinong syong kiba biang karta ban register la dia kum kinong tap vote.
As per Election Commission schedule, the special intensive revision for Meghalaya is 2026. The training phase is starting from 20th June to 29th June, and then 30th June till 29th July. It will be house-to-house visit by the booth level officers, and draft publication will be there on the 5th August 2026. And after that, from 5th August till 4th of September 2026, the period will be for claims and objections. And the publication of final electoral roll will be on the 7th October 2026. And qualifying date of SIR is the 1st October 2026. We are ongoing this SIR exercise, so this exercise is continuing.
So the election may be after October?
Maybe. SIR will happen as per the schedule, as per the mandate, and there will be no ineligible voter will be included and no eligible voter will be left behind. Our authorities, our machinery will ensure it as per the rule. Thank you.